Hello and welcome back to our channel. Myself, Dr. Soumya. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 2 home remedies that have been found to be effective for reducing hyperlipidemia. The hyperlipidemia, commonly known as high cholesterol, is a medical condition in which there is an excess of fats in the blood. This in turn can cause accumulation of lipids in the arteries, which can lead to heart attacks or strokes. The healthy lifestyle with good eating habits and regular exercise can help to tackle this condition. So here are 2 home remedies that have been found to be effective in managing high cholesterol. So let's begin with the first remedy, which is a drink. The main ingredient of our remedies is the use of fresh drumstick leaves, which is basically the leaf of drumstick tree. The drumstick leaves are widely used in herbal medicines as a hypocholesterolemic agent. The careful and effective use of drumstick leaves have not only been found to reduce LDL levels but also rise the HDL levels. Apart from these, they are also anti-inflammatory and antibacterial in nature. They have the property to reduce the total cholesterol and triglyceride levels and also prevent the absorption of cholesterol in the intestine, thereby maintaining the blood cholesterol levels at normal. Now for this recipe, I have taken the fresh drumstick leaves. Wash them to remove dirt and dust. Let's keep it aside and prep the other ingredients for making this drink. For this, we need about quarter portion of musk melon. The musk melon is high in fiber, has less calories and no fats. And being high in water content, musk melon is a good option, so that we can skip the addition of extra water while making the drink. Also, it gives a good flavor to the drink. Once the prep is done, take a blender jar, add the chopped pieces of musk melon. Here I have taken about half a cup of musk melon. You may increase or decrease according to the consistency and flavor required. Now into the same jar, let's add quarter cup of drumstick leaves. If you do not have availability to the fresh drumstick leaves, then the pure extract of the leaves in the powder form can also be used. In that case, measure and take 2 tablespoons of the powder extract. So, with just 2 ingredients, let's make the drink. Blend them smooth so that it gives a good consistency. And here, I do not prefer to sieve or filter the contents after blending. So just blend it smooth. Once done, serve immediately or drink within 15 to 20 minutes of preparation. This makes a one-time dose. Drink it daily once for 14 days. And keep monitoring the serum cholesterol at the end of 14 days. Though usually it takes 14 days to 1 month to start showing positive results. And after 14 days, give a break of 7 days and then restart with the schedule if you are comfortable. In this way, you can continue up to 3 months for good results. But always remember to consult with your physician before you start with any home remedies or in case if you are having any other medications. Now let's proceed to make the second remedy for the same. Just heat a pan at medium to low. Add in a little ghee and then add the fresh drumstick leaves to the pan. Here I am taking half a cup of drumstick leaves, and this recipe stands for 2 servings. Simply saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. Just keep the flame at low as we do not want to lose the freshness of the leaves. Now add salt as per taste. And then just give a good mix. Then I'm going to add cooked rice to this pan. Spread the rice over the leaves. Immediately cover with a lid and off the flame. Keep this to rest for about 5 minutes. Avoid the use of drumstick leaves in case of pregnancy, lactation, or if you have any allergies. And in some people, stomach upsets are seen within first few days of the use. In that case, just stop the use of the remedy. And before serving, give a good mix and combine well. Serve either for lunch or for dinner with any side dish of your choice. Now have it daily once for 14 days continuous. And monitor the serum cholesterol levels at the end of 14 days. After 14 days, if you wish to continue, then give a break of 7 days and then restart with the schedule. And can continue for up to 3 months in the same way. And remember, any one of the remedy is to be used at a time. These remedies have been found to be effective in managing high cholesterol in some of my patients. And so, I hope this video will be useful for you as well. In case of any doubts or queries, feel free to post in the comment section or you can mail to us. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you in our next video.